This is exactly how I was able to fix Disney Plus not working on my TCL TV. So what I had to do firstly is to click right here on my remote on my TCL TV to be able to come back to the home page right here. Then on home page, click on the settings wheel here. As you can see, click on all settings, scroll down here and make sure the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on and that you're connected to Wi-Fi. If you're not connecting to Wi-Fi, it's not gonna work, just so you know. And then we're gonna go into system settings here and click on date and time. And then the automatic date and time. Make sure if this one was set to off before, you need to set it to auto synchronization. For some reason, when the date and time is not perfectly aligned to where you are right now, the Disney Plus will also not work, or any other app that requires Wi-Fi will just not work properly. So make sure to do this. And then now you can go back to Disney Plus and try once again. This completely fixed it for me, and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well. You can see now it works for me.